guys, today I'm going to read a story named Animal Eyes. Animal Eyes. You use your eyes to see. Animals use their eyes to see too. Animal eyes can be small or large. Some animals' eyes can look very strange. What animals has eyes that look like this? Do you know? This pie spider has 8 eyes that look like little dots. Most spiders can't see very clearly, but many spiders are very good at seeing things move. What animals has eyes that look like this? This owl does. Its eyes help it see well at night. An owl cannot move its eyes. It must turn its head to look around. What animals has eyes that look like this? This kind of lizard does. Its eye can look in a different place. The left eye sees one thing. The right eye sees something different at the same time. What animals has eyes that look like this? This dragonfly has eyes that you made up of many tiny eyes. Dragonflies are very good at seeing things move. Use your eyes to see. All you